Hi happy homemakers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you a Dollar Tree haul. I got a bunch of stuff actually, but I'm only going to show you a few things that I got, Christmas things, and then a few other things, like craft wise and just some other things. But we went and let our girls pick out presents for everybody that lives in our house. We have 6 people in our house, and so we let them all pick out 5 gifts a piece, and that way they could feel like they're get everybody Christmas presents, like not feel like it, they really are. But I'm gonna show you all the things that I got that are not from that. Why is it not focusing? It's focusing on behind me. Anyway, I got this calendar. We have above the girls' backpacks, we have fairy brightness. Whoa, that's too bright. There, that's a little bit better. We have a area above the girls' backpacks. I'm gonna put this big calendar, and then this small calendar right here I'm going to use to keep track of all of my YouTube videos and like collaborations, those types of things, because I like to be able to have them all written down so I don't forget. I mean, of course, why wouldn't we all want that? Then I got these 2 packs of Christmas bows with little bells on them. We only use cloth napkins in our house, and so I thought it would be cute to add these to the cloth napkins for our Christmas party we're having. We're having one Christmas party this year at our house, and it is with Sean, my husband's family, and it's not ever very formal or fancy, but I just thought we would do that because that'd be fun. Then I got these 2 oven mitts. We're actually gonna play a game at the Christmas party, and my husband wanted to get oven mitts so that everybody has to open their presents with oven mitts. But these match my kitchen, and so I was like, why not? He said get Christmas ones, but I couldn't find any Christmas ones at our Dollar Tree. And so I got red and turquoise because that matches my kitchen. I got these types of brushes, and then I got these foam brushes. I'm going to be painting some of our furniture, and so I thought these would be great for that. Plus I stain with these brushes, and I love these brushes for staining. They don't last very long, but they stain well, and then I can just throw them out because they're only $1, and I get 8 of them in this pack. So and the last thing I got were these 2, I got 2 of them, this one and this one. They're wreaths, and they have like little white on them to kind of look like they're flocked, but they're just from the Dollar Tree, so they're not, but they have little bells on them and stuff, which I think are so cute. I'm gonna put them around my lights on either side of my garage, but I've decided I'm not gonna do that this year because I mean it's like almost over, and we undecorate our house the day after Christmas, so it doesn't really make sense to do that. I'm so sorry, this like most of this video is blurry, but I'm actually standing in my bathtub, and I have you right right behind my window. That's why my stuff is in the background. Oh, you can see. If you look right there, you see the camera in the window, in the mirror. But I'm gonna open this calendar and show you some of the pictures because it's so cute. I just got this at the Dollar Tree. I mean, obviously this is a Dollar Tree haul, but it's so cute. And oh, I forgot to say earlier, I want to put a calendar by the girls' backpacks because we have a lot of, like, for those of you that don't know, we are foster parents, and so we have a lot of like caseworker visits and doctor's appointments and just random appointment things that don't, like therapists and like all the random things that come up that foster kids like and foster parents have to do. And so I wanted to have this for them to be able to keep up with what they want, like what we're doing and stuff. And so they're not always saying, what are we doing today? But there's that first picture. So cute. Let's see, February.
Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I'm going to use it. I'm going to puppy. You're going to what else? I'm going to husky, pug mix, and then a green. Are you working? Oh, that's not cute. Why are puppies so cute? Oh my gosh, RJ. I want to actually want orange instead. Maybe that's really real. Actually, I'm going to this year, not so.
So, oh, that's it. To 2020 and 2021 at a glance. Dates to remember. And then I also got this one, this small one. I'm not going to show you all the pictures eventually of this one too. I'll just show you the back of it that shows all of them. There's more puppies. Oh my goodness. And dogs. Dogs. My mother-in-law's girlfriend and her live in New York. And my mother-in-law's girlfriend is from New York, and she has a really thick accent, so you see dogs. Anyway, I have not announced, but I have been posting every day of the week before Christmas, and I probably will every day of the week of Christmas, which is next week. And I'm really excited. I am planning on filming another video today. You won't see that one until tomorrow probably, but it is a, I'm gonna be filming a Christmas Eve bag. A lot of people do Christmas Eve boxes, but I don't have any boxes and I have lots of Christmas bags. So I'm gonna be doing Christmas Eve bags. We're gonna do like a bunch of stuff in it for our girls for Christmas Eve. And actually our Christmas Eve is Christmas Eve because we do our big Christmas on Christmas Eve, and because on Christmas Day we spend a ton of time with family. We go to my grandma's, and we go to my parents, then we go to my mom's parents, then we go to my dad's parents, and so we're like boom 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 back together, like back and back to all the Christmases. And so in order to enjoy all of our Christmas, we just do it on Christmas Eve, and Santa Claus comes to our house Christmas Eve and brings us presents to open on Christmas Eve. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a small haul and me just jabbering on about how Christmas is at our house. But I am really excited to show you all these videos. I have done Vlogmas in the past. I've only been doing this channel since September, but I have a vlog channel called The Fry Family, and I did Vlogmas the last 2 years. And so this year I decided I wasn't gonna do that because I've never realized that the people watching, like there weren't a whole lot of people watching everything because everybody's doing Vlogmas, and so I was kind of missing it. And so I decided I'm just gonna go ahead and post every day for the next couple of weeks. And yeah, so it won't technically be Vlogmas after Christmas for me because like I said, Christmas Day we take down all of our Christmas stuff, and I will show you that in a undecorate with me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's like 10 minutes of nothing pretty much, but make sure to go to Dollar Tree. It's really, they have some really good stuff, and they still have a bunch of Christmas stuff from what I saw, and a lot of really good present ideas. They have like a stocking area, so that's really good too. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.